Dubai, the miracle that rose from the sand. Hello everyone! Today, we're embarking on an amazing journey. This journey seeks a miracle that emerged from the heart of the desert. This isn't just the story of a city. It's a story of turning dreams into reality. This is Dubai. Let's turn back time a bit. A few decades ago, Dubai was just a small fishing village. There were people who lived by collecting pearls in the middle of the arid desert. Who would have thought that this small village would today become a powerful force, captivating the world's attention? Dubai's transformation began with the discovery of oil. But Dubai's leaders understood that this oil wealth wouldn't last forever. They envisioned a dream that went beyond that, to turn Dubai into a global hub for tourism and business. This wasn't easy. There were many challenges like sand dunes and extreme temperatures. But due to their dedication, vision, and relentless effort, they overcame all of it. Today, Dubai is the best example for those who think nothing is possible. Now, let's talk about the incredible creations in Dubai. The world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa. This giant, 2,717 feet tall, isn't just a building. It's the pride of Dubai. When you go up there, the entire city of Dubai is beneath your feet. Can you imagine that experience? Next, there's Palm Jumeirah, often called the eighth wonder of the world. This is a man-made artificial island. Shaped like a palm tree, this island features luxurious hotels, villas, and attractions. Who would have thought it was possible to build something like this in the middle of the sea? Oh, and for shopping enthusiasts, you can't forget the Dubai Mall. This is one of the world's largest shopping complexes. The world's most famous brands, beautiful restaurants, an aquarium, an ice skating rink, all in one place. It's not just a place to shop, it's an experience. Dubai isn't just a place of luxury. Various cultures are blended here. If you visit the traditional gold and spice markets, also known as the Souks, you'll have a unique experience. It's like going back in time. If you're looking for adventure, you can go on a desert safari. The experience of driving a jeep over sand dunes, watching belly dancers, eating Arabic food, and sleeping under the stars will be an unforgettable experience of a lifetime. I also have to mention the theme parks in Dubai. They imagine Dubai Fountain Show, Legoland, Motion Gate. These are places where everyone can have fun. There's no boredom here for both children and adults. Dubai is still moving forward. They are focusing more on modern technology, sustainable development, and innovation. Their vision is always towards the future. That's why Dubai is also an excellent place for investment and business opportunities. So Dubai isn't just a city. It's a vision. It's dedication. It's a dream. This miracle that emerged from the sandy desert shows us that humans can achieve anything. You too, one day, go to Dubai and see this amazing city with your own eyes. It will be an unforgettable experience for you. If the video is good, please like and share it with your friends. To watch new videos like this daily, please subscribe to us.